What a massive dent on this Kia Ceed, and a scratch on the bumper. So now looking at time-lapse, taking out the dent on the fender. So using some tools behind the back of the fender and trying to just push the dent out, get it ready for paint. Slowly tapping away at all the crowns, heating it up just to stop some paint damage, paint from cracking, whatnot. So yeah, carry on watching and you'll see. Primer's been applied on this Kia. Just going to wet flat it down. Sorry guys, the footage for the repair was missing, so I wasn't able to include it. So we jump straight onto the base coat. So this is the base being applied. This is the second coat ready for lacquering. So we've put a 2K lacquer on here with a fast hardener. So I'm using the MIPA CX4 system here. So 2 coats are clear, fully applied, and now it's just flashing off. And we're jumping straight onto the finished car. So this is it, all done, ready. Quick wash and then send it.